Ia discuss kata kawi hadit kawi.
Ka Sorkar Jylla kala Pynkhreh ban ai da ka Jingpynshitom Tyngeh persya kitu gibidon kiti ka Jingjapin kelumar ka balam sya ka Jingbom suk shngan shu ka Jylla. Umitri rang ba ka Jylla ukon ret kisang mau laong badon upot ki aka baro bat ha kata yo beladep kila don katu ka ni ki Jingjai bela tampalat put bat ki bamla ban pediang bat kumta don ka man ai da ka Jingpynshitom ka Tyngeh ki bidon kiti. Hadian jok Jingjah hamukro ki kam le don bor ba ki kampen kelumar kala nang jah hanong ba shelong ha ka ba bon ngot ki riu pat ba kila sha thombor ba lai ngot ki pulit kenthai kila mensap ha pedang ka jing huri hura ka wei ka bosket pulit bat ka wei ka gypsy pulit kila sha tiet bat ka wang mau bat la persang ru ban thang ka bos jong ki pulit.
There will always be a limit to which things can go. And as I said in the past, in this last 1 week, there were some incidents that went beyond certain areas and certain limits, which cannot be accepted. And hence, firm action will be taken against those. But in the larger interest, it's important to see that as a society, we're able to move forward, as a state, we're able to move forward. And hence, people can say many things, but as I said, for me, I see the larger picture and the larger goal. And I would like to see that we're able to resolve the situation rather than making it more complicated.
Kaseng